welcome back to Diva's classroom. Helpers of the day, Miss Dawn, Miss Shannon. We're gonna break down the Get Up Challenge, verse number 3. We're not gonna do number 4 because it's all freestyle. So that's it. We'll break it down in 2 counts. We'll do it with music, and then we'll perform the whole song for you guys. I hope you're ready. You start by taking 4 steps to the right and taking it down. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it down. Now crisscross. Take it up. Now crisscross. And then you have 1/8 of freestyle. What does he say?
Do whatever you like.
Right? Oh, do whatever you like. Right there, it's time to shine or something like that. Yes, so go for it. Yes, and then after that we have the sequence. We're gonna do this one more time, and then music. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's take it down now. Take it down. Take it down now. Take it down. Take it up now. Take it up. Oops. Take it up now. Take it up and take it down now. Crisscross. Take it up now. Crisscross. Right here, do whatever you like. It's time to shine. Yeah. Don't judge me on my singing skills or memorizing lyrics. There are none. All right.
I'm a robot.
We're gonna do this one more time because I messed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and take it down now. Take it down. Take it down now. Take it down and take it up now. Take it up. Take it up now. Take it up and take it down now. Crisscross. Take it up now. Crisscross. Right here, do whatever you like. It's time to shine or something like that, right? I hope you got it. Music.
Do whatever you like right here. Just gonna do the